L.E.D. CMB4316-1001, 156, 1157 T20 S.M.D 18. The L.E.D. CMB4316, 1001, 156 1157 T20 is a high-performance automotive lighting solution designed for multiple functions and vehicle types. 1. Wide voltage design 10 to 30 VDC. The L.E.D. CMB4316 1157 T20 supports a wide voltage input with non-polarity design, enabling stable operation and quick installation across various 12-volt, 30-volt DC vehicle systems. 2. Advanced safety featuresTo ensure long-term durability. The L.E.D. CMB4316 1001, 156 1157 T20 is equipped with lightning protection and has passed CMC interference and vibration resistance tests. 3. Color options available in white, warm white, red, amber, green, lemon yellow, in custom colors. L.E.D. CMB4316 1156 1157 T20 meets diverse lighting needs of both standard and specialty vehicles. 4. Multi-function applications built with 18 high-efficiency S.M.D. L.E.D.s. L.E.D. CMB4316 1100 56 1157 T20 is ideal for twin signal lights, brake light, tail running light, daytime running light DL, reverse lights, side marker light, trailer lighting, emergency and warning light. 5. High efficiency and brightness. The L.E.D. CMB4316 1156 1001 157 T20 consumed just 3.1 GW yet provides up to 360 lumens of output, balancing power efficiency and enhanced visibility. 6. Easy INSDA LLATIONCOMPATIB Rally with 1156, 1150, 7S25 bases. The L.E.D. CMB4316-1156, 1157 T20 offers simple plug-and-play installation. Note: please verify your vehicle's socket type and LED bulb dimensions before purchase. 7. Twin signal reminder when replacing incandescent bulbs with high brightness LED bulbs like the L.E.D. CMB4300. 16. 1156 1157 T20. A load resistor or a graded flasher relay may be necessary to prevent hyper-flashing.